Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Instagram post. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Here is my post. Now I'm going to delete this. Now go back to your profile. Here you can see 3 lines. Press on this. Now click on your activity. Here you can see recently deleted. You have to click on this. Here is your deleted post. If you want to restore it, then press on these 3 dots. Click on restore. Press on restore. Here it is. So this is how to recover deleted Instagram post. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.